Everyone, good afternoon. I'm Sravya and I was a member of COEPD since 2014. I started my journey with recommendation from Mr. Rao Garu. I was a fresher when I joined COEPD. I have zero knowledge, absolutely no knowledge about IT field or what is a business analysis. So I was associated with Mr. Rao Garu since my college days. He worked for KL University as well. So he gave me the suggestion to pursue the BA as a career because he saw that good communication skills in me, and initially that was the base to start my career. So I started with workshop. I completed my internship, and we used to come every day. And Mr. Dilip, Mr. Raju, everybody has given us the required moral support and that push where we are struggling to crack the interviews. And Mr. Venkat, he was always there to guide us. He was always the go-to person for us. And not to mention Mr. Lakshman, he used to make us, he was the stress buster with his genuine smiles and laughter. He used to make us make us chai, and he is also a stress buster, not to mention about him at the classes. So I was having, right now I'm having 6.5 to 7 years of experience as a BA. I started my career in 2015 with a small company. I worked there for 1.5 years, and later I moved to United Health Group. That was a Fortune 5 company, and throughout the 6 years I was with product companies, and recently I started working with Accenture. Throughout this journey, what I am today is all because of COEPD, and I'm really very proud of it. Yes, you make people, you change people's lives. You know, I never imagined, because I come from a biotechnology BTech background, and I never imagined that I could do something here in India. I was planning for my masters, and the plans got dropped off, and suddenly I felt lost what to do and all. And that's how these people have changed my life, and what I'm today is all because of them, and I can proudly say that. Thanks everyone.